With your scissors, you're going to cut along the solid line. And then along each of the dotted lines, you're going to fold. So folding so you can see where it says, are they equivalent? And you're folding so you can see where it says reduce both. Okay. Now what you're going to do, you're going to take your 1 and 2. You're actually going to put it inside the other 2. And then fold down. Okay. Then with your stapler, now we have this nice booklet. Okay. So we're trying to determine, are they equivalent? Which this just means, are they equal? Okay, are they equal? So there are 3 different ways to determine if 2 ratios or 2 fractions are equivalent. The first way is to reduce both. So you're going to write each ratio in simplest. In simplest form. Okay? If they're equal, then the ratios are equivalent. So looking at my 2 fractions, I have 4 over 250. If I divide both of those by 4, then I'm going to get, divide both of them by, no, we divide by 4. 1 over 62.5. You could also divide by 2 over 125. Okay, with 8 over 50, or over 500, let's divide each of those by 4, because that's easy. And you get 2 over 125. Since I ended up with this same reduced form, they are equivalent. Another way we can determine if they're equivalent is to divide and compare. So when I'm dividing a fraction, we divide each ratio top by the bottom. This is the numerator. Divided by the denominator. So looking at these two, this would be 4 divided by 250. Which when I plug that in, I get 0.016. This would be 8 divided by 500, and you get 0.016. Since I have the same answer, they are equivalent. And then the third way is to use something called cross product. So what we do, we set the ratios equal. Equal to each other. And then we cross multiply and then compare the products. So you may have seen this like the heart method or the butterfly method. So we're looking, we have cross multiply. So 8 times 250 which is 2,000. And I'm going to do the same thing. I have 4 times 500, which is 2,000. Since I have the same answer, they are equivalent. Okay, so every time you use all three to determine are they equivalent.